Let's begin this journey with a provocative question. Do you believe the mind can be the greatest obstacle or the greatest ally in building wealth? Imagine for a moment that the secret to unlocking financial success lies within you. In this video, we'll explore exactly how to reprogram your mind to attract wealth in 2025, transforming limiting beliefs into powerful tools for abundance. First and foremost, we need to understand how our limiting beliefs are formed. From an early age, we are conditioned to view money in ways that often limit our potential. Phrases like, "money doesn't bring happiness," or "only the rich get richer," program our subconscious to shy away from abundance. Recognizing these beliefs is the first step toward transforming them. Think about how many times you felt incapable or undeserving of achieving your financial goals. Now, imagine if you could replace those ideas with thoughts that drive you to act and strive for more. Science has much to say about how the mind influences financial success. Studies on neuroplasticity show that the brain is malleable and can be trained to seek opportunities and overcome challenges. When we understand that our thoughts create our realities, we begin to take control of what we allow to grow in our minds. This doesn't mean simply thinking positively, but aligning our beliefs and actions with our goals of abundance. One of the most powerful methods for reprogramming the mind is replacing limiting beliefs with abundant ones. This begins with positive affirmations, which are statements designed to reinforce constructive and productive thoughts. For example, instead of thinking, "I'll never have enough money," tell yourself, "I am capable of attracting unlimited financial opportunities." Repeating these affirmations, combined with genuine emotion, helps engrave new beliefs in your subconscious. Create a vision board with images that represent your financial goals and visualize those goals every day. Another essential step is practicing gratitude. When we acknowledge what we already have, we create a mental state that attracts more good things. Gratitude shifts our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in our lives. A simple exercise is to list 3 things you're grateful for each morning. This practice not only improves your emotional state, but also enhances your ability to notice new opportunities. Creative visualization is another powerful tool for attracting wealth. Set aside a few minutes each day to imagine what your life would be like with financial freedom. Close your eyes and visualize specific details, such as your dream home, the car you want, or the experiences you'd like to have. Feel the emotions associated with these achievements, like joy, pride, and satisfaction. Visualization helps program your mind to actively pursue these experiences in reality. While reprogramming your mind is crucial, it's equally important to align these thoughts with consistent actions. Take practical steps toward achieving your financial goals. This may include learning about financial education, investing in skills that increase your income, or starting a personal project. The key is to act like someone who believes in their success, even if the steps are small at first. Real-life examples of people who reprogram their minds to achieve wealth are inspiring and show that this transformation is possible for everyone. Consider the story of Oprah Winfrey, who overcame a challenging childhood to become one of the most influential and successful women in the world. She often attributes her success to an abundance mindset and the power of positive affirmations. Another example is Steve Harvey, who used visualization and faith to transform his financial and professional life. As we conclude this video, it's important to remember that the journey to wealth begins with a decision. Decide today to take control of your mind and reprogram it to see abundance everywhere. Practice the steps we discussed. Identify your limiting beliefs, replace them with positive affirmations, cultivate gratitude, visualize your wealthy future, and take consistent action. Every small change you make in how you think and act brings you closer to your financial goals. Wealth is already within your reach. All you need to do is change the way you see it. The transformation starts now. Are you ready to reprogram your mind and attract wealth in 2025? Remember, the power is within you. Start today and watch how your reality can change dramatically.